यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति
भेलपुरी खाड़ी फिर साइड में था, एक इंसान आया, उसने उसको गोली मार दी।
अभ्युत्थान
I said the whole world, India will identify, track and punish every terrorist and their backer.
विनाशाय च दुष्कृताम्
आतंकियों को और इस हमले की साजिश रचने वालों को उनकी कल्पना से भी बड़ी सजा मिलेगी।
For decades, they plotted in the dark, fueling terror from safe havens across the border. But this time, they crossed India's red lines. In the shadow of terror, a plan was forged. 2 weeks, 9 camps spread across 700 kilometers. India's finest military minds from the armed forces and intelligence agencies began building a silent offensive. Weeks of relentless intelligence gathering, satellite scans, drones hovered, eyes and ears deep inside enemy territory. Terror bases were marked, strike routes planned, risks assessed. A day before the strike, a clever deception, a NOTAM or Notice to Airmen issued for a military exercise far south. Pakistan tracked the movements in southern Rajasthan, saw only a drill in the skies, not our stealth, not our intent. May 6, a little after midnight, under the guise of war games, the Rafale's Omni-Roll fighter jets take off. Pakistan Air Force watches, unaware of what's coming. The weapon of choice, Rafale fighter jets, with pinpoint accuracy cruise missiles on board and laser-guided bombs. Kamikaze drones on standby. Rafale soar into the night sky, its radars silent. The eyes of the nation's top brass looked at every frame, every altitude from the war room in New Delhi. At 0100 hours, India strikes. Nine targets, one synchronized wave. The Rafale split into attack groups. Without crossing the border, they unleash fire from the skies. 9 targets, 9 direct hits. Terror infrastructure reduced to ash. The scalp missiles slam into concrete. Hammer bombs pierce hideouts. Kamikaze drones silence launch pads on the either side of the Peer Panjal ranges. The UAVs circle overhead, relaying bomb damage assessment in real time for those who want proof. In minutes, it's game over for terrorists, at least for now. 9 terror bases, including the headquarters of Lashkar-e-Taiba at Murid-Ke. No boots on ground, no civilian casualties. Every objective met. The Hydra-headed monster of military terror network in Pakistan raises its head once again. Pakistan Armed Forces target Indian cities. Pakistan Air Force even used civil airlines as shield for its massive drone attacks on multiple cities across India. On the 7th of May, in response, Indian Air Force unleashed kamikaze drones on enemy military infrastructure. India's S-400 missile defense shield, the Barracks and the Akash surface-to-air missiles form a deadly air defense shield across India. Indian missiles targeted key locations deep inside Pakistan, including in Lahore, Sialkot, Bahawalpur and Karachi. Indian Air Force fighter jets hit critical Pakistani air bases, including at Sargodha and Jacobabad, that are closely associated with Pakistan's nuclear strike capabilities. Each phase a calibrated answer to Pakistan's provocation. More than 100 terrorists killed in Operation Sindoor wasn't just retaliation, it was a statement of Bharat's resolve. This was not a war. This was Bharat's message to Pakistan. India will strike swiftly, silently, and decisively. Operation Sindoor, mission accomplished.
आतंकियों ने हमारी बहनों का सिंदूर उजाड़ा था, इसलिए भारत ने आतंक के ये हेडक्वार्टर्स उजाड़ दिए।
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.